Good morning YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we are just doing something very boring. It's just our daily life in Bangkok. We've been here for 5 days but haven't filmed much yet. We've just been taking it easy, catching up on some editing. Now we're just gonna pop through to the shops quickly, pick up a few things, do some laundry, everyday tasks like that, so we'll see you just now. Come into our little, it's like a little mini mart with a breakfast area where you can come and sit down and have your breakfast on the go, charge your phones, maybe do some work on the laptop. You see, we've got little stations for you to charge. The second time we've been here, it's nice to just come here and have a coffee. They're really cheap. Iced cappuccino, which costs 35 baht. Which is like 15 rand. Clary's eating a little bowl of mixed fruits, which is also about 15 rand. It's not like the cheapest you can get, but it's pretty affordable to come here and just chill out, charge your phones, relax, and start the day. After this, we're gonna go home, put some washing on, and then maybe head to the gym and have a swim in the pool. Alright, we're done. This place is about 200 meters away from our condo building, and anyway, now we're walking back. And we're back home. Such a long walk. Must say I really enjoy staying here. Very, very easy. Quick little walk down the road and you at your breakfast spot. Nice cappuccino. Pick up some groceries. Do your laundry. Everything's really, really close by. You got the gym here.
Okay, we want to quickly show you what we got on our grocery haul. All of this cost 913 baht, which is roughly 400 rand. Okay, just to single out a couple of prices for individual items, we'll start with the waters. We got two 1.5 liter bottles of water, and that cost 28 baht. The kiwis were 12 baht each. The bananas were 8 baht each. The coffees were 15 baht each. So these protein drinks, which Rhett has every single day, those were 35 baht. There's a green tea flavor. You might be like, ew, but it's actually really good. And that's a plain 0 sugar protein. 25 grams of protein, hey? Then something I adore is these already made meals. This is fried rice with Korean chicken. I got another one, which was just a charcoal grilled chicken with rice, and these are 35 baht each. These Nature Valley bars were 29 baht each. We got some soap powder and we got some softener, and these combined were about 50 baht. Okay, and the toilet paper was 20 baht for one roll, extra large. Don't know what that means. Yeah, and that's what we got from the grocery shop.
Right, we don't really know what we're doing with the washing machine. We don't know how to use it. That's why we're hoping for the best, and that's why we took some of our best clothes to the laundry downstairs. So if this goes wrong, it's okay. Yeah. Just pushing buttons and let's see what happens.
Well, we used to have a normal, we used to do washing for ourselves back home, but we never had a top loader, so.
Yeah. Oh, and yes, the washing machine is outside on the balcony if you're wondering. But it's pretty cool. You get to do washing to a beautiful view like this. Okay, looks like it's all done. We've decided we're not going to go to the gym today. We're both kind of feeling a bit under the weather. So we finish up our washing. What else are we doing today, love?
Might have a swim.
Might go and have a swim. Otherwise we'll just wrap up with some dinner on the street later probably. Here these dhows, these little boats, transport boats going by down below us in the canal below. It's pretty cool, but gonna watch a nice sunset on our balcony and close up the vlog there.
We hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It's just a typical day in our life here in Bangkok. So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!